here's the little piggies.
Here, guys, here. The three, look, this is, get these three right here. The three little amigos.
These are the noisemakers over here.
They're latched on. Now they get a lot, and then they get air, and then they come off.
So how's it having three little piggy babies, Carol, that you're bottle feeding?
Well, as long as they don't grab my fingers, I'm a happy camper. But now they have to rotate nipples.
Would that be a happy farmer?
A happy farmer, yes. A happy pig mama. Here's one for you. Look, look.
Well, they've got to, you know, like fight over it first because it tastes better that way.
Yeah.
And here's our little sippers and crunchers over here.
And they're eating some of the pellets over there too.
Good. Good. That's good stuff. Oh, yeah. That's not Dot. She's having a good little snack.
Mm-hmm. And when they're done, they're done.
And here comes Dot. Here's Dot. Hi, Dot.
And I just open the gate and they go back in when they want to. So we want to go back in now, we're ready. Okay, so they're pretty much done with their milk. So they don't even finish it all, so I dump it in the mother's food.